Someone has requested me to discuss that constitutional court case of VVC versus JRM, the latest constitutional court case about customary law marriages. So this video will not be a complete video because this is a long discussion and I don't like to make long videos. C versus JRM, a judgment. The reason why that case finds this interest from everybody is because it relates to an antenuptial contract signed after a customary law marriage, and it looks like the facts match the case of the famous case of black coffee, but the facts of these cases are not the same. So as we discuss this latest case, it is important to take the other case out of our minds, because although they have common elements, there is an antenuptial contract and there is a customary law marriage question between these cases, but the facts are not the same. In the latest case, the issue of contest relates to Section 10, subsection 2 of the Recognition Act. What that section provides, it allows the spouses in a customary law marriage to enter or change their marital system to a civil law marriage. That is where the issue arises, because when the parties enter into a civil law marriage, the Act says the marriage is in community of property unless they, according to Section 10, subsection 2, unless there is an antenuptial contract. So what the parties did in the latest case, they got married. There is no dispute about whether they are married or not. They got into a valid customary law marriage for years, and later on they decided to change their marital system to a civil marriage. When they changed their marital system, they signed an antenuptial contract to ensure that their marriage, the civil marriage, is out of community of property. That is where the issue is. Are they allowed to sign an antenuptial contract when they change from a customary law marriage into a civil law marriage? There is no dispute about whether the customary law marriage exists or not. So the answers that many people are looking for about the requirements of a customary law marriage are not in that case. I think the black coffee case is still very important and relevant in clarifying the requirements of a valid customary